Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So as you saw in the title, there's going to be a Hot Wheels unboxing. And right here is the giant box. I actually cut out the shipping label, but the rest of the box is still sealed. But I am excited. This is from One Stop Diecast, and it is some Hot Wheel premium sets. So let's go ahead and bust this thing open. Cut that. Cut it open on this side. And then let's go ahead and, if I can even see that. There we go. Oh. Cut all the way. I can't even do this without seeing it. All right, there we go. And one piece right there. Alrighty. Let me set this knife aside. And right off the top, there's the order form. Sorry if you guys cannot see this. There's a bunch of packing peanuts. And let me go ahead and move some of these out of the way. And let me pull out this case. Alright, so this is a Hot Wheel premium case. There's one, and you'll have to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned because we got another one sitting down inside of here. So I'm going to save this for another video. So we're going to go ahead and just set that aside right there. Take all these packing peanuts and kind of clean all these up. Alrighty. So like I said, I have two of these cases. We're doing two separate videos. I unfortunately do have a hole in the side of the box right there. That's really the only damage I see. There's a little bit of squish damage right there. It's the bottom of the box. There's the top. I'm actually really excited to bust into this. And like I said, hit that subscribe button because I will be having another video with the other case. Because this does have a chance at a chase car. And I am super excited and I really hope I can get a chase car out of this. But let's go ahead and cut this thing open and check these cars out. Alright, let's try this again. I don't want to cut too hard and cut into the cars inside the package either. There we go. And then I kind of want to open this in a way where I can't see it and you can't see inside until, there we go, until I pull out everything. So I don't know. Okay, so the cars are standing up vertically inside of here. Let me just kind of tip it up so that they are more flat. And then I'm just going to honestly just start right at the top here and just pull out the cars one at a time. Alright, so we got the Audi R8 LMS. And as you see, this is the Hot Wheel Premium Race Day set, which that car looks absolutely amazing. Got that race day. This is kind of like a throwback to an old school set that they did come out with a long time ago. And because it's premium, this does have real riders tires. It's metal on metal. And wow, this Audi looks absolutely insane. It has like a roll cage you can kind of see there in the back. And all the decals look insane. And wow, that's amazing. So then they always have two pairs. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the other one, which boom, that's the other Audi R8. And I am really excited and I'm really hoping I get the chase car because the chase car is amazing from this set. All right, so we got the Porsche 935 right here, which, wow, let me admire this real quick. That is a beautiful car. And the theme is the KW, which is insane there. So that's the car. And boom, look at that. That purple looks absolutely amazing. So if we did get the chase car, it would be the Porsche 935. And the chase car features an all black car, black wheels, and it does have a 0 out of 5 on the whole kind of scale from 1 to 5. Like I said, if we did get the chase, it would be this car. So let me set this down, and I really hope this is the chase car. I'm going to carefully pull it out. And we did not get the chase. It's got two regular versions of it, which still, that looks absolutely insane. And let me go ahead and set these aside. Get to the next two. But also, whenever you get the chase, it will take place of the regular car. But let me go ahead and pull this out. We got the Aston Martin Vantage GTE, which, I mean, because it's race day, all these cars have a race car theme. And I absolutely love that. Like, that just looks so amazing there. Go ahead and pull out the other one. Boom. So now we got both of those there. So this case does come with 2 complete sets. And if you do get the chase car, it replaces the other car, which technically you'd have an incomplete set. But this is the Ford Capri GR5. This is actually a really interesting casting. But that's the car, and you can see the little tiny wheels in the front, which look kind of funny, but it has this crazy wide body on that. That is an interesting car. But it has a giant wing, which who wouldn't love a giant wing on the back of a car? And then, of course, you got the other one here. Let me just set these aside. And let's pull out the final car, which is the 1994 AMG Mercedes C-Class DTM touring car. Wow, it's got a big name, but that's an awesome car right there. And obviously, it's the C-Class, kind of like race car variant. Which, man, this set actually has some really cool iconic cars. You got some cool old school cars and some newer modern cars. Pull out that final one right there. And wow, this set is absolutely amazing. But let me go ahead and set that box aside. Unfortunately, we did not get the chase car in that, but we still got some pretty awesome cars. So let me know if Hot Wheels did a great job with bringing back the Race Day series. I think these cars all look absolutely amazing. I think they did a pretty good job with the cars. I feel like I'm a little bit more biased towards more modern race cars. But I mean, I guess like the classic cars do look pretty cool as well. A lot of people prefer classic or modern. So I guess they kind of do like a really good balance with that. And I'm so glad the chase car for this set is a Porsche, because I absolutely love Lamborghinis, Porsches, Ferraris, stuff like that. Obviously, Hot Wheels isn't making more of those. So Lamborghini and Porsche are the two like I absolutely love, especially for a chase car. But if you guys like the video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, because I will be having another video come out soon with opening the second case, and maybe we'll have a chase car in the other case. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.